Hey everyone, welcome back to the EdsTech YouTube channel, and all Apple lovers, you may look away now. You might not like what you see next. Because 2 days ago, on October 11th, I went and switched to the Galaxy Note 9. Now the reason for this was simple. I wanted a headphone jack and a bigger display. And Samsung was probably one of the only ones that could provide me with that. Now we're going to do a re-unboxing of this. I have already unboxed this in the store, but I packed some things in here. I didn't pack the cords and the headphones back in here because I'm using those. I did put the brick in here, and I did put the phone here, so let's take a look at it now. Alright guys, here it is. Here's the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Here's the specs on the back of the box so you could look. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Take the sleeve off. There you go, there's your Samsung packaging. So guys, this is a re-unboxing. Not everything in here is going to be perfectly placed and stuff, but placed good enough. Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Your books and your SIM card ejection tools in here. And here it is. Oh crap, I have to get it out somehow. There's no tray. Oh crap. Don't hate on me guys for doing this, but here we go. I got the Thanos edition purple. Here's your infamous S Pen. There it is. Alright, let's take a look at whatever contents are in the box. Tray. No one cared about that. Now with the OTG cable in here, I did use this once with a controller. It does work with a controller. And this adaptive fast charging brick. Very fast, I love it. And everything in here is not in here. Anyway guys, let's get straight to the phone. Alright guys, so we're just gonna boot it up for you. Because this isn't the full review yet. I don't know if I'm gonna have a full review. I might have like an after 1 month or after 3 months for you guys. If you want that, tell me down below. If you want some sort of review, tell me down below too. There we go. Enter my PIN. And there is the home screen to the Galaxy Note 9. I did the wallpaper myself. It would come with a purple wallpaper if it was stock. But, hey guys, here was the re-unboxing of the Galaxy Note 9. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.